Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So November 2020 is here. So we finally made it to November and the festive season has already begun. So I'm kickstarting this month with a haul video. So I'm going to show you some beauty, makeup and skincare stuff that I have purchased over the last 2 to 3 months. So basically this is a collective haul and none of the products have been sent to me in PR or anything like that. Everything has been purchased with my own money. So if you're interested in knowing the product that I'm going to show you in this haul video, then please keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you like my content and if you'd like to support my channel. So let's get into the video now. Okay, so I have all the products right here in my basket and I'm going to show it to you one by one. Let's start with skincare and body care here and there, whatever I have. So the first product that I can see in my basket is the Good Vibes Raspberry and Peppermint Refreshing Shower Gel. So this is a shower gel used for obviously while taking a shower or bath. So the packaging is really nice. I wouldn't say it's bad at all. I really like the aesthetic of Good Vibes and it's become very popular now. And mostly you will find Good Vibes products on purple.com only, or you can download their app. I shop a lot on Purple, so I wanted to try something from Good Vibes. So I got this shower gel. So when I smell it, it's quite sweet scented, I would say. Sweet, yes. And I cannot really smell the peppermint thing in this, but since I haven't used it, I cannot see how it is. So as and when I use it, I will let you guys know, whether it's here on my YouTube channel or my blog or my social media, Instagram. I will link it in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. So this is how it looks like I showed, and it's a cruelty free brand. They have a lot of good stuff. So let's see how it goes. I will keep you guys informed. Moving on, the next thing I picked up, in fact my mom got this for me. It is the Sheetal Chandan Sugandh Yukt powder. Now let me tell you, do not buy this product if you find it in your medical store. Now the thing is that I wanted a sandalwood powder, like for doing DIY face packs and stuff. And I told my mom, please go and get it for me, and she got this. And I did not read the instructions because कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है कि ये इसको DIY में use कर सकते हैं. Secondly, when I opened the pack, it looks like that. Okay, it looks like it could be a potential sandalwood powder, but there is no sandalwood smell. तो अगर सुगंध युक्त भी है, इसमें कुछ smell तो होना चाहिए. So there was no smell in that. So I'm very skeptical of using this, and I would definitely not use it. I guess I'm going to buy something from a different brand which is like genuine and authentic. So yeah, I would say don't buy this. I'm giving you a close-up shot. So this is how it looks like. I tried to Google and find out, but nothing is mentioned. So obviously I don't want to try it on my face and make a mess. Anything could happen. I could break out and stuff. Yeah, definitely not to buy. Moving on, the next thing that I purchased is this Himalaya Fresh Start Oil Clear Face Wash. It's in the variant Strawberry. So very apt kind of packaging, very cute. So it is basically for oily skin and oily to combination, I would say. And this is priced at ₹75. You get 50 ml of product. I feel it's kind of a little bit pricey compared to the Neem face wash, but I can totally get it. Like, why? Because it has a different ingredient, the packaging, all these things matter as well. So I have used it twice and the face wash smells amazing. If you want something like to use so that you can start your day on a good note, like it make you feel fresh and energized, definitely go for this one. I will be trying the other variants as well. I've already tried the lemon one and I love that as well. So yeah, this was my face wash purchase. The next thing I got is from Albs Goodness. It is your orange peel powder. I always wanted this powder for my DIY face packs, and I've been trying out a serum which I will let you know if it works or not. जब work करेगा, कितना work करेगा, I will let you guys know. So for that purpose I bought this orange peel powder. It's really good for the skin, especially those who have oily and combination skin. This really works good in terms of a face pack. So I got this for it says 75, but I'm sure I got it for like 60 or 65 rupees. So this brand is exclusively available on purple.com. So I think you should go and check that website out. They have really good affordable brands, and kind of makes you feel good that there are affordable things also in this world, because I have been seeing on other websites, especially Nykaa, like so much expensive skincare and makeup. So I really like shopping from Purple because I think they have affordable brands and that totally suits my budget. So I just wanted to mention that, and nobody has sponsored this video or told me to say that, but I'm just genuinely telling you what I feel. Moving on, my next purchase is again from Himalaya. It is their pimple clear cream. So I've been searching for this cream for such a long time. I couldn't find it in my local chemist shop, and I ordered it online on MedLife, and imagine they sent me an old product. So this is actually their new packaging with this kind of picture in front of it. That was an old packaging and due to expire, so I had to return it obviously. So I had in mind that there is a Himalaya, flagship store. Like they have an entire store full of Himalaya products. I'll definitely find it there. So I made it there and I found it, and I'm so glad I found it because I really wanted to test this product out. Now this is 45 rupees and you get 20 grams of product. I feel it's a decent price for a product. Now I do not get a lot of big pimples, but I always get these tiny kind of bumps on my face. So lately I have some here on my neck, so if that works for my bumps, I'm really going to be very happy. And also I occasionally get like those big zits and pimples, so I'm really going to test this product out and I will let you guys know. So stay tuned to my channel. Let's move on to the makeup. So I do have a couple of products and I will go through them quickly. So the first two things I have are makeup brushes. Like I needed any more makeup brushes, but I did purchase them because I got them on discount. So the first one is in fact the one I bought from a local store, and this is from the brand called Babila. It says eyeshadow brush. Yes, so this is how it looks like. I think I paid 50 or 60 rupees for this one. So I kind of checked it out, I removed it and I saw it, and it has got like synthetic bristles. So I'm not sure how it will apply the eyeshadow. I feel it will be good for like cream eyeshadows, but I will let you guys know and I will use it in my future video. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है, बहुत ही लंबा है और स्लीक है. 50-60 रुपए में क्या और क्या चाहिए. I have heard about this brand Babila. Like when I go to beauty center, Crawford Market, I have spotted this brand. So yeah, I am happy I got this one. Something new to test out, something exciting. So I'll let you guys know. The next one is the next product is this Kalava Angled Angel Eye Defining Brush. Now it says eye defining, but this is basically more for your eyebrows, and you can use it to smoke out your lower lash line. This is a bit pricey. I cannot find the price. I'll mention it here on the screen, but I got it on like 50% discount, so I went ahead and bought it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The next few products are purely makeup products. The first thing I got is something which was spotted by me and I immediately placed an Amazon order for it. I wasn't even aware this product existed and I really wanted something like that. So this is the Swiss Beauty Gel Mascara Lash and Brow. ये ऐसा दिखता है, ऐसा पैकेजिंग में आता है. And let me show you how it looks. So all the ingredients are in fact mentioned out here. There's no mention of anything like what do you call that, parabens or anything, so I'm happy about that. And I think Swiss Beauty is a cruelty free brand. So it says Swiss Beauty Transparent Mascara is a clear gel which separates each lashes and also tames and set your eyelashes and eyebrow. It gives your lashes to hold the curl and give them definition you need. So basically it's a clear mascara which you can use for your eyes and for your brows. So everyday कोई mascara नहीं लगाता है, तो clear mascara is the best bet. So I was really excited when I saw this. So this is how it looks like. Comes in a clear and transparent tube, and the wand is kind of interesting. It's short and it has a lot of bristles to it. So I've just used it once and I cannot tell you how I really feel. I'll have to use it a couple of times. Also I feel that अगर यहाँ पे use करते हैं here, if you have already put like the eyebrow pencil, it will turn brown and it will dirty this entire thing. So the way I think how I'm going to use it, I'll put it a little bit on the back of my hand and use my spoolie and set my brows, because I honestly have OCD and I cannot see that this thing will become dirty. And plus I will try it on my eyelashes as well. So this is what I am planning to do. You do not have to do the same, but I just wanted to make that clear. Now the price of this, I think I got it for 185 rupees. I think it's 199. I will mention the price on the screen because it's nowhere mentioned here on the box. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase and I'm really looking forward to try it. Okay, so moving on, I wanted to try some new single eyeshadows, and I was in particular looking for a golden eyeshadow which was on my wish list for a long time, from NY Bay. So yes, so these are the NY Bay blinking eyeshadow. So I got two variants. If you have watched my previous haul video, I mentioned that I have purchased two variants back then. So go ahead and check out that haul video to know which shades I got. So the ones that I got, this was the one I was eyeing for a long time. It's NYP Blinking Eyeshadow, the Bronx 8. So like I mentioned in my previous video, this is a magnetic closure, and it's really exciting. So this is how it looks like. Camera will not focus that much, but I hope you get the point. So this is like a golden color, and it's perfect for the festive season. मतलब एक golden color लगा लो, हल्का सा crease color लगा लो, and you're good to go. So I got this on like buy one get one free, and the price of this is a 125 rupees. So technically 63 rupees का एक पड़ा. So isn't that amazing? The next shade I got is the one which is quite popular. Like if you go in their list, they will tell you, which are the most popular ones which people are buying. So I got this name. Now this is called a Woolworth 18, and this is how it looks like. So it looks pretty much dark, but I haven't tried it on my eyes, so I cannot tell you how it's going to look. But I was expecting like it's going to be a different kind of color, so let's see how that goes. So I do have a couple of other shades that I want to purchase, so as and when I purchase it, I will let you guys know. So yeah, those were the two eyeshadows that I have purchased. Alright friends, so lastly now I do have three lipsticks that I have purchased, and all three are from this brand called Inside Cosmetics. So if you have been watching my previous haul videos, I have purchased a lot of their stuff, and I will keep on buying because I need to review them and I don't get PR. So yeah, I wanted to purchase them because I genuinely wanted to use them as well. So I ended up buying three lipsticks, and I'm going to show you them one by one. Now the first one is this Inside Matte Lipstick range. They are very popular, and you might have seen a lot of reviews on these. I wanted to give you my 2 cents. So I have purchased like 4 or 5 shades now, so I'll be doing a review soon. So these ones are priced at rupees 80, and you get 4.3 grams. I'll mention it on the screen. And one of the shades that I'm going to show you now is the one I'm wearing. So the first shade I got is A6 First Love, and this is how it looks like. So it's a beautiful pink color, and I do not have a pink color lipstick like that, so I wanted to go ahead and buy it. So this is how it looks like. It's on my lips right now. Now the packaging is kind of cheap, but it's still good enough. It click locks, and I think it comes in a box as well with the expiry date and everything else. Also the color kind of matches the lipstick inside, so that's really nice. So it's basically a creamy lipstick. I wouldn't say a matte lipstick, like a demi matte kind of lipstick. You'll have to press your finger and let the product sink in so that it lasts for a longer period of time. Also using a lip liner would be recommended for this one, although sometimes I don't use. Like today I haven't used a lip liner, but I think it still looks cute on me. So yeah, this is the one. The next one is shade number A5. It's called Selfie Red. Very exciting, Selfie Red. I was not intending to buy this lipstick, but when I went to the shop, the shade I was looking for wasn't available, which is that First Love kind of shade. So I went for this one because I wanted to try a red lipstick. So that lady kind of sales lady told me ye le lo, so I took it. So yeah, this is a beautiful red color, and it's perfect for now for festive season, and I think for Christmas. Although I'm looking forward to buying a new red lipstick in December. That's like a tradition I follow. I always buy red lipstick in December. So as I said, this is called Selfie Red, and they have amazing shades. You can definitely go for it. I would suggest buying from the shop so that you can test it out and see how it looks on you. I mean on your hand. You cannot apply it on your lips, right? But yeah, I really like those lipsticks, so I purchased them. I also purchased this one. This is the Insight Color Rich Lipstick. This is how it looks like. Doesn't it remind you of something? Yes, it is the exact dupe of the L'Oreal lipsticks. So I really like the packaging, but if you touch it, it's very cheap and plasticky. So that noise, I can clearly tell by the noise how cheap the plastic packaging is, but nonetheless it looks really beautiful. So if you buy this lipstick, the lipstick is good, no doubt, but the packaging is not that great. But if you have to remove this lipstick in front of everyone, they'll be like, wow, kya packaging hai. So nonetheless I got this shade, and this is called Never Nude 04. So I was eyeing this shade for a long time, and then I finally got it. Like, look at that color, like wow. We're looking for a caramel brown kind of lipstick. This is the one you should go for. Now I'm not going to swatch it because I might do a dedicated video on it. I need to buy like 2 or 3 more shades, because only then it would make sense to review it, right? So this is how the shade looks like. It comes color coded, which is what I really like. And other than that, there's nothing much to say bad about this lipstick. I really like it, and I think only once I have tried it and I really like the shade. So I'll be buying more shades in the future, and then I'll go ahead and review it. So yeah, this was the entire makeup haul. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. Those were all the products I wanted to show you in this haul, which I have purchased over the last 2 to 3 months. So as and when I buy products, I accumulate them in a basket, and I like to show it in a collective haul, because I do not shop that often. I shop only when I really feel like buying something, like I want to review it, I really want to try it. So these were all the products I wanted to mention in this video. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you guys have been shopping, and let me know in the comment section like what have you guys been buying, whether it's online, offline. Share your thoughts in the comment section. I would definitely like to know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, so that I reach 2000 subscribers by Diwali. So this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.